Today I'm going to show you cyber threat resilience project. To run this project, first we need to open command prompt in this location and type python app.py as it is a Flask based application. Copy this address and paste it on any browser. This is our project's index page. This project has three modules: admin, trainer and user. Admin credentials are admin and admin. Admin can view users and also upload the dataset. These are the dataset stats: total rows, columns, column names, data types of each column, and missing values, and data preview of first 10 rows. Next module is trainer module. Credentials for this trainer module are trainer and trainer. So trainer pre-process the data which is uploaded by admin. So these are the pre-processing stats. This is the dataset preview of pre-processed dataset. Next is future extraction. So total number of columns are 10 columns and selected columns are 8. These are the columns which are selected. And future importance score. Next is train test split. So out of 196 records, we split into 186 for training and 40 for testing. So 80% for training and 20% for testing. Next is train. So we have trained a model using naive Bayes algorithm and we got 87% accuracy. Next we need to train it using decision tree and we got 100% accuracy. Let's compare the models. This is the accuracy comparison graph. And log out. And next module is user module. First we need to register and then login. So we can predict the data based on the parameters. Let me enter sample data, for example. And this is the prediction result based on the parameters we have entered. And we can view the history. Log out.